As the world remains mired in the crisis of the present, Abu Dhabi wraps up its Sustainability Week, devoted to solutions for the future.
So especially this year after COVID, the situation in 2020, the pandemic situation, I think having an event like Abu Dhabi Sustainability Week happening now allows everybody to get together to discuss how we can have a serious agenda for a green recovery.
The event brings politicians, companies, and global leaders in sustainability together to share ideas and develop joint projects. This year, the talks focused on tackling the challenges but also environmental opportunities posed by the pandemic.
And limiting travel for millions of individuals, the pandemic has led to a decrease in oil consumption, which has resulted in an estimated 7% reduction in global CO2 emissions for 2020.
To our future, the future of humanity, I believe that this is a very important era due to technologies of space and telecommunications and what the world has witnessed, the COVID-19, which made us all feel that we are living on one earth.
As the UAE sees itself as a global environmental leader.
Proud in the UAE that we are the first oil-producing country that really put the agenda of sustainability and renewable energy high in our national agenda. So we are the first oil-producing country that pushes for sustainability, pushes for efficiency, pushes for renewable energy.
And the pandemic has dealt global energy a giant blow, with a decline in demand by about 5%, and the demand for oil taking the biggest hit. For the first time, the world is seeing negative oil prices. Experts say one kind of energy demand actually increased: renewables.
I think we send a strong message from UAE, being a country in the Middle East and being an oil-producing country. We send a message to the world that sustainability is important for everybody.
The summit was organized by Masdar, a company headquartered in Abu Dhabi and founded for the sole purpose of developing sustainable technology. It's known globally for its flagship project called Masdar City, a self-sustaining environmental village used to pilot and develop new environmental technology.
What we are doing here in the UAE is not about talking, we are showing what we are doing.
Emily Rose, I-24 News.